Conon. Okay. Reverend Isaac B. Brobe was it Ghana will score 5 goals. Ampa. Kwesi Otu was it more goals. Watching from Ghana, Aneto Fori. Mansho, please, let's see fire today. I'm off. This is camera. Queen GH is more goals, guys. Queen GH 1 permit to catch live on J Sports on YouTube. Emu Ayashi, Emu Ayatin, sign and Yamabesiako. Ghana 3. Wamayani D at the chat NTB NTP. Make us a bona kwako tonching. And try Jumedia and so charity for this is saying. Woman so want to be shy, I want to try Brianna. Eh, no, Babu Jordan, Abra, Abutre. Acquire your 5 fee. Maza. I bet the Banunu. Siakaya, Simanama, Kumaquadianum. Wafa etosumiernie. Obia Gusua Pemso. But Charity for Nidia Masa, Diamobaya Namuye. Frederick Joita, Rafi Ahmed Abdul Razik from Libya. Woman yellow card. Wow, to be more game. No, also say to try. More goals, Ghana. Watching from Spain, Ogusua Lenda Diano. Nana Oliver, Osi Tompo is back. Ofori Jesse Jumase, Tompo commentator. DJ Calipo was it Tompo commentator. Catherine's diary Kwame. Okay, maybe said one man. Go Ghana. AG was it any Tompo commentator? Yes, of course. Good evening. To you. I'm watching you live from Puno region, Sakwa. Okay. Yate Yemshe Sadia Niema EBC Akwakowie. Jack J was it Ghana would top the table. Of course, Brian really can't crack that. I mean, Natal. I like your skill of commentary, boss. Much love, Reverend Isaac B. Brobe. Me who say Reverend Wabasu Sano. Not just me, but you got Jintim Katam swing as some Ketwakra. Ghana has already booked its place in the round 16. Hey, round 16, yeah. Round 16, yeah, World Cup qualifies, neighbor. Why we top group not just say, oh, qualify. Okay. Now, only I say, Tompo, Miss Row. And my mommy, some. Cut it for me. He's coming. Don't worry. I wonder over the Omashio. Harriet Jifasi, more fire. Good evening, my brother. Ghana, more fire. Dev Pen Cooper, the other. Okay. This is third abuse. This is third abuse. Ampa Kedi. Pelasy Justice for Child. We have started with Bismillah and definitely ending it with Alhamdulillah. Ghana G. Okay. Big go. Ghana 5-0. Big Jordan. Victory for Ghana. Good evening, brother. Okay. Hey, Emmanuel calls me to catch. Don't allow a child to slow down the game. Of course. Yeah, Papa, Menisukrana. Good evening to all my friends and family.